Hello and welcome to Kit Maths. Our solution is like no other. My name is David R.N. Thompson. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to solve maths questions intelligently as against cram solving. So let's say we have this WAEC question for senior secondary school students. If you're one of those students who usually find it challenging to go about this kind of question or come up with its mathematical expression, sit back as I introduce you to the Kit Math solution. Here, we offer you She and Mr. Sack. So what is it about She? She helps you to be able to classify or categorize every given mathematics question. She tells you whether it is X question, H question, or even E question. Now, questions that are X question have certain secrets to help you deal with such questions. And questions that are H questions have certain secrets to help you deal with such questions, as well as E questions. Isn't that interesting? So let's see the question we have here. Okay, generally we like to see this question as a H question from She. So she says this is an H question. We will now have to look forward to the secret to H question to enable us to be able to deal with a question. And so, for H questions, what are the secrets to H question? We have what I call the UC at FG. These are the secrets towards H questions. For the purpose of this video, I will be emphasizing on AT, right? And so what's AT? AT stands for arithmetic terms. So AT means arithmetic terms are words you find to have mathematical interpretation or calculation on. For instance, difference is mathematically interpreted as a minus sign, and sum is mathematically interpreted as addition sign, right? So let's see what arithmetic terms we have in the question. Remember, arithmetic terms are to be mathematically interpreted, right? If we look at the term distance and the term speed, it has a mathematical interpretation as S is equals to D over T. Speed is equals to distance over time, as well as distance is speed times time. Another arithmetic terms that we can observe in this question is the word late. And late can be interpreted as a minus sign. Now, we have two mathematical interpretations. Let's see how our details can be fitted into these mathematical interpretations. Here we have S as 72 kilometers per hour, which can be converted to 72 over 60, which gives us 6 over 5. And D is equals to 60 kilometers, T an unknown, and 10 minutes. From the arithmetic terms, the two interpretations we're able to come up with were S is equals to D over T and the minus sign. If we make T the subject formula, we will have T is equals to D over X. And if we fit in the details of the minus, we will have T is equals to D over X minus 10. Looking at this expression, we can tell where the division sign is coming from and where the minus sign is coming from. So overall, that will bring us to T is equals to 60 divided by 6 times 5 minus 10, which will eventually be 40 minutes. With this clue, we'd like to stop here and see if you can give us the final answer. If you like our page, make your comment and subscribe. Thank you. My name is David R.N. Thompson.